Assalamu alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another tutorial. I hope you all are fine, good, cool and having chill. So guys, if you are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more videos and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next video. So in this video I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tying turban, and that is how can you tie a beautiful turban to tie on weddings or any special occasion. For tying this turban you need two turban, one 2 meters long and second one should be 2.5 meter long. So you need two turban, 2 meter long and 2.5 meter or 3 meter long. So which kind of fabric do you need for that? Let me show you the fabric that I'm using. One turban is here, that is quite fancy because we are tying for wedding, and another one is very simple. Both are black. So let's start this tutorial right now. Which kind of fabric should you use for your turban? I have already made a video that is how can you buy a turban. Link is in the description, you guys can watch that video. And there isn't any online brand of turban, so if you need turban so you can get from any clothes shop, just ask him about the turban. He will show you the turbans or the fabric of turban. So watch that video will guide you to buy a turban. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video to your friends. So Allah Hafiz till my next video.